So hello guys and welcome back to Android games development in Unity 3D series. So in the previous video we have a brief introduction about the game development in Android Studio. So in this video we are going to complete our development setup and we are going to install all necessary tools for developing the Android games in Unity 3D. So we will install the Unity 3D and Android SDK and we will complete our development setup. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free material and courses for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, first of all, let's discuss the system requirement for installing the Unity 3D and developing the Android games on our system. So for this, we will need the operating system Windows 7 SPI 1 Plus or Windows 8 or Windows 10. You can also use your Mac machine for developing the Android games. For this, you will need at least Mac OS 10.2 or greater. And you will need 64-bit operating system for the Unity 3D. And you will need the Core i3 or greater processor, and you can use any other equivalent processor for it. And you will need minimum 8 GB of RAM. So we will recommend the 16 GB because it will give you a fast response during the development process. And you will need the graphics card with DX10 capabilities. You can use the Radeon, Nvidia or GeForce, any kind of graphic cards. So you can use the internal or external cards. And you will need at least 2 GB or above. The greater the graphics card, the greater the experience. And you will need the Android SDK. Now it is coming along with the Unity 3D setup. So we will also cover this topic in this video. So guys, and the last thing we will have to check, either we have the at least 20 GB of free hard disk space. And you should have HDD or SSD hard disk. But we will recommend the SSD because its response is fast and easy. So now let's check either my system fulfills and qualifies for the specification for downloading and installing the Unity 3D. For this, I will go into my system and from here search the PC. And from here, I will go into its properties. So guys, you can see here, I have the Intel Core i7 system, which is greater than Core i3. And I have the 16 GB of available RAM. And in the same way, I have 64-bit operating system. And my Windows is Windows 10 Pro version. And in the same way, let me check my hard disk space. And from the PC, I can check out that I have 273 GB space and I'm using the SSD hard disks. So I have enough space and I'm using the SSD. So the last thing we have to check, graphics card with DX10 capabilities. For this, I will go into my task manager. And from here, you have to go into the performance tab. And from here, you can see here, my graphics card is Intel RUHD graphics card. And I have the 8 GB of memory. So I need at least 2 GB. So I have the 8 GB, the greater is the better. And in the same way, I have the DirectX version 12. So we need at least 10 version, but I have the 12 version. So guys, my system super qualifies for installing and downloading and playing the Unity 3D. So these are the system requirements. So it all depends upon your games or your development process. So if you are going to use your development setup for simple games like 2D games or simple Unity 3D games, so you can use any desktop machine with the minimum specification. But if you are going to use the high-end games like complex 3D games, you will need a greater specs processors or greater specs machine for developing the Android games. So it's all depends upon your need. So now let's head towards the installation process. So in this video, we are going to install Unity 3D game engine for the personal license, and it's free version and anybody can install and learn the development process. So for this, we will go on to the Google and we will search Unity Personal. So you can see the first link, Unity Personal, click on it. And you can see here Its eligibility is Unity Personal is for individual, hobbyist and small organization with less than $100K of annual funds raised in the last 12 months. Or any student can also use it. So we have not earned that kind of money till now, so we will also earn that money inshallah in future. For the moment we are okay with the free version. Click on the get started. From here you can install the beta version for Windows, but we will download the stable version, and from here click on downloads for Windows and its setup file. Save this file. Let's wait until this file is downloaded completely. So this is the Unity Hub setup. So it will aid you to install the Unity 3D along with all installation packages. So let's wait a while. So guys, as you can see here, our setup file is downloaded. Double click on it to launch the setup. Click yes. And from here, click I agree. We are okay with the destination folder. Make sure you have enough space on your installation directory. Click on install. Let's wait until the installation process is completed. And click the finish button. And my firewall is blocking some content from the Unity. Allow the access. And Unity Hub is suggesting you to download the beta. So we are okay with the current version, maybe later. And currently we do not have any license in our PC. So first of all, we will have to download the free license or personal license. For this, I will click on the manage license button. And from here, I will click on login. So accept all cookies. If you have the Unity ID, you can add the Unity ID here. Currently, I do not have any Unity ID. I will have to create new Unity ID. Click on create one. And from here, I will have to provide my email. And we will have to add the password. And the username will be coding.pursuits.gamesdemo. And we can write the coding pursuits. Click on all checkboxes. Click on create Unity ID. So now we have to confirm our email. So let me check if I have received the email. So okay, currently we have the email from the Unity link. To confirm the email, simply click on that link. And from here, we have to verify we are not a robot and click verify button. So we are all set. We have successfully created the Unity ID for our Unity 3D setup. And from here, click on continue button. And now you can see here, we have the option activate new license. Click on this activate new license. And from here, currently we have to select the Unity Personal. And my company has not earned that kind of money and I want to use the free version. Click done. Let's wait a while until our license is active. So you can see here our license is activated. And now go back. And from here we will have to select the installs because we have to install the Unity 3D and click on add. And we have a lot of Unity 3D versions available here with official releases, but currently we are okay with the recommended release. So you are also recommended to download the recommended release. Click on this and click next. And from here we have to install the different packages for making our game. So first of all, because we are developing the game for Android operating system, so we have to select this Android build support, and it will download the Android SDK, NDK tools, and open JDK. Also click on checkbox for iOS build support as well, and it is suggesting its download size and its installation size as well. So make sure you have enough space to install and download these packages. Click on next button. Now scroll down to check if we want another thing. No, we are okay with it. Click next button. And from here, because we are going to download the Visual Studio 2019 as well, so we have to also agree with terms and condition of Visual Studio 2019. Click next button. And I have read and agree with the terms and condition. Click done. Click yes, allow the permission. And Unity Hub has started the downloading process, and it will download all our packages we have selected for it. Let's wait a while until this installation is completed, and during its installation it will prompt and will show us the packages which is being downloaded. So let's see and wait till its installation. So guys, all files has been downloaded and it had started the installation process. So it will take some time to install all its packages. Let's wait again. Now the Unity Hub is installing the Visual Studio package. So our Visual Studio 2019 will be installed in our PC and it will work along with Unity 3D. Guys, as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded and installed 2020 version of Unity 3D. And from here you can see here we have the Android build support, and in the same way we have iOS build support as well. So we can build our Android game for both version, for Android and iOS. So guys, in this video we have learned how to successfully download and install the Unity 3D. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share the video, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.